Welcome to a new video on the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a very short video. They brought us a Mini that had steering problems, the steering wheel vibrated, and well. The owner asked us, why did when the wheels are checked, does it move from right to left and from top to bottom? Look there, you see, from right to left. This vehicle has slack, it has a problem, and then we also do the test from top to bottom. There is no slack there. With this test we have ruled out that, for example, that this vehicle has a problem in the bearing or the wheel hub bearing. Okay, that's why the test is done. Now we know that the problem may come either from the rack, or from the steering rack ball joint, or, as in this case, a problem with the wishbone, which had to be replaced. Well, here I leave you this video as a curiosity, and well, if you liked it, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.